Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, February 27th. Comeback climb continues. Stocks surged again yesterday, up 1% more in the major market indexes. Big numbers in points, but in percentage, very reasonable. Continuing to move higher to attack that January 26th tip top. Now we've got the S&P about 100 points away from that record. We've got the Dow less than 1,000 points away, and the NDX yesterday was 30 points away from that all-time high. You've got the NDX now up 8% and more in 2018. Crude added 50 cents yesterday, $64 a barrel. That's after a $2 gain the week before. We had gold down on the day, up $3 on the day, but it had lost $25 the week before, so a little bit of a comeback hanging around this 1330 level. And lastly, with the VIX, vol fall continues, getting beat down one more time, closed at the $15 handle. That's after being at 50 just a couple weeks ago, so that's a 70% drop in the VIX. So where do we stand here on Tuesday morning? Well, stocks are steady to a bit lower. Right now I've got the S&P down 5, the Dow down 35, and the NDX down 10. So let's see if tech can attack those highs and lead the way once again. Now, looking at the S&P, if we get a full V recovery, if we get back to those highs from January 26th, that projects 3225 based on this measured move as the upside target, which is 15% up above. Remember, every time in history the market has sold off, it's come back and made new highs, and it's moved the distance of the sell-off on top of that old tip top. Crude oil today, down 25 cents at 63.70. Gold steady right now at 13.30, actually down $3, giving up yesterday's gain. And I want to point out that 90% of the S&P earnings have come in, and our earnings growth for this quarter is 15%. So that's what's driving the stock market. And the PE ratio right now is at 16.9, which is just a little bit above the 5-year average of 16. So stocks are not expensive. So to summarize, with about an hour to go before the cash stock market opening, stock index futures are steady to a bit lower. I've got the S&P down 5, the Dow down 25, and the NDX down 8. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.